And a good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Mark Thibodeau here. We continue to track dangerous Hurricane Irma in the tropical Atlantic, trekking westward. Let's take a look at the very latest. As of the 8 p.m. advisory, winds are now 140 miles an hour, a solid Category 4 hurricane, moving off to the west at 13 miles an hour. Pressure down to 943 millibars, and as they go, that is already a very significant, strong hurricane. Here's a look at the eventual track based on some of the latest model guidance, tracking westward, and then will it turn a bit more to the north, perhaps as it gets a little closer to the Florida Peninsula. These are the latest computer models. Again, keep in mind, beyond 4 to 5 days, the accuracy curve drops off, but we are thinking maybe a northward turn at the end of the forecast cycle. We'll see how that plays out as we head through the next several days. Either way, make preparations now in South Florida and northward for potentially a major hurricane at the end of the week going into the weekend.